How to change networks on Solflare app. Let's go ahead and start the video. To change the networks on the Solflare Wallet app, go ahead and open the app and sign into your account. Click on the settings or gear icon on the bottom right hand side once, and you can find General on the top. Tap on General. Under General Settings, at the very bottom is Network. Go ahead and tap on Network, and as you can see, there are 3 different network settings to choose from. The first is the main net, which is the actual figure. So don't go ahead and try around here in the mainnet, but if you want to do some experiments, you can see the testnet and devnet are there. If you're wondering what testnet and devnet are, I'm just going to go ahead and explain this to you. Testnet is strictly for developing settings. This will be testing, and it will just go ahead and give you some bonus rewards for nothing and some easy free more coins and free cryptocurrencies to use from. And you can also choose from devnet as well, which is strictly for developer settings. You can just go ahead and take in any one of these and tap on continue, and as you can see, the network can be changed this way. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.